First, consider the Korean skincare routine, often referred to as K-beauty. This renowned beauty practice focuses on achieving and maintaining healthy, glowing skin. The key practices include double cleansing, exfoliation, hydration with toners and essences, using sheet masks, applying serums and ampoules, and protecting the skin from the sun daily. The emphasis is on hydration, gentle care, and sun protection for a youthful and radiant complexion. Next, we journey to Morocco, where beauty practices are known for their natural and nourishing approach to hair care. Argan oil treatments, henna hair coloring, and the use of natural shampoos and conditioners are the mainstays of Moroccan hair care. The emphasis is on the use of natural and organic ingredients like argan oil, which is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, promoting healthy hair. The simplicity, mindfulness, and natural ingredients of Japanese beauty practices are worth noting. Double cleansing with oil-based and water-based cleansers, gentle exfoliation using minimal and effective skincare products, and incorporating green tea and rice bran into skincare routines are key practices. Japanese beauty emphasizes maintaining the skin's barrier function and protecting it from environmental stressors. It also embraces a holistic approach to beauty, considering inner well-being and stress management as important factors. Brazilian beauty promotes self-confidence, self-care, and celebrating one's unique beauty. It encourages women to feel comfortable and confident in their bodies. Finally, consider the Ayurvedic beauty practices from India, deeply rooted in natural remedies and holistic well-being. Using Ayurvedic herbs and ingredients like turmeric, neem, and sandalwood for skincare, oiling the hair and scalp, and practicing abhyanga, self-massage, are key practices. Ayurvedic beauty emphasizes a balanced lifestyle, proper nutrition, and the use of natural ingredients to enhance skin. Exploring these practices, you can incorporate elements from different cultures into your own beauty routines, while also appreciating the uniqueness of each tradition. Beauty, after all, is a global language.